There's something about the crunch of gravel beneath my boots, the rhythm of my breath syncing with the steady beat of my heart, as I climb higher and higher up the mountain. Hiking, they say, is good for the heart, and as I push myself up the steep incline, feeling the burn in my muscles and the sweat trickling down my back, I can't help but agree. The air up here is crisp and clean, filling my lungs with each deep inhale. It's a stark contrast to the stale, recycled air of the city that I've grown accustomed to. Out here, surrounded by towering trees and the symphony of birdsong, I feel alive in a way that I rarely do in my day-to-day life. They also say that hiking burns calories, and I can believe it. With each step I take, I can feel the energy coursing through my body, fueling my muscles and propelling me forward. It's a different kind of workout than the ones I do at the gym, more organic and primal. There's no need for fancy equipment or high-tech gadgets out here, just me and the trail stretching out before me. As I reach the summit, the world spreads out below me in a breathtaking panorama. The city, with its maze of streets and buildings, looks so small and insignificant from up here. It's a reminder of how vast and wild the world truly is, and how small we are in comparison. I take a moment to catch my breath, to savor the sense of accomplishment that comes with reaching the top. The burn in my muscles has faded into a pleasant ache, a reminder of the effort I've put in to get here. And as I sit on a rock, gazing out at the world below, I feel a sense of peace settle over me. Hiking is good for the heart, they say. And as I sit here, surrounded by the beauty of nature, I can feel my heart beating strong and steady in my chest. It's a reminder of the power and resilience of the human body, of what we're capable of when we push ourselves beyond our limits. I take one last look at the view spread out before me, committing it to memory before I begin the descent back down the mountain. The trail winds its way through the trees, leading me back to the world below. But as I hike, I carry with me the sense of peace and accomplishment that comes from spending time in nature, from pushing myself to new heights both physically and mentally. Hiking is good for the heart, they say. And as I make my way back down the mountain, I can't help but agree.